Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2006 Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.